Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlogs. For today's video ay magpapak ako ng things going somewhere. And also I'm doing my live sa Popo. So ayan. So while na nag-prepare ako ng aking things going somewhere ay nagla-live na rin ako sa TikTok. So this is for my things going there. So, simple lang ating mga dadalhin, yung pang sleep, and then, 2 days kami doon. So, naka-prepare na yan. And also, this is my shades. So, nilagay ko dyan for swimming. And also, some makeup here. Pero, hindi naman ako nagme-makeup. So, just in case lang naman. And also, bags. And also, some accessories here. And, of course, lotion. And some clip. And good morning. It's currently 8:30 in the morning and we're going down to eat breakfast. Let's go, guys. Nakikita mo rin yun. Let's go. Where's my slipper? Breakfast information, located location.
Nabura na uga.
Lipidan. Hi, dito here. So naganap kami ngayon ng open na restaurant dahil ngayon ang mismo nilang late holiday is January 29. Ito talaga mismong holiday nila. So wala siya masyadong bukas na mga sa pagkainan. Anong pagkainan? Pagkainan. Kaya maghanap kami, maglakad-lakad kami.
Okay? Ano ba? Andun po kami yung light. Ganyan na. Hindi na yun. Dali na. Bakit yung lang yung light? Gusto ko ba? Saan? Tinatawag lang.
Ano ba ito sabi?
So, birthday, celebrating our birthday.
Three of us birthday sa aming tatlo. So, celebrate namin yung aming birthday. So, happy birthday to us.
Long time.
Woo! Long time din. Let's eat na! Ginoo ko. So,
Ano po ito ba